On this video, I'm going to show you how I create thousands of personalized LinkedIn messages using ChatGPT and a list of prospects. I used to spend hours, if not days, writing messages one by one for my prospects just to ensure that they're each personalized. Now with ChatGPT, I can do that in a matter of seconds. As you can see, I have a list of prospects here. I can show you at the end of the video how I got it, but that's not the point of the video right now. Let's download it as a CSV first. So just CSV, download, and you can keep it for ChatGPT. Create a new message on ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT for all because it's very good at working around documents, spreadsheets, CSVs, and so on. You can copy paste the prompt that is on the description of this video, and I'm going to explain also how it actually works. So here I'm saying create a LinkedIn connection message of less than 280 characters for each person on the spreadsheet. I'm saying less than 280 characters because LinkedIn Connect messages have a maximum limit of 300 characters, and if the first name or company name are sometimes too long, I just like to keep a little bit of a safety here. So I say use this format. Hi, first name. How do you currently problem? Problem is going to be specific to you, and I'll give you an example that I'm using. Auto job title in companies like company name are using solution. Solution is also going to be specific to your company. And I close with would you like to try? Question mark. So problem here, it says find emails and mobile numbers from LinkedIn profiles because this is the problem that our audience faces and what also Scalist is solving. Now solution, it says export contacts from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and find their work emails and mobile numbers with Scalist.com, which is the company that I'm using to actually create the list that I've shown you at the beginning of this video. So I'm also asking, I want to see a preview first just to make sure that the message fits what I want. Now you can add a spreadsheet. So here you go. I've already downloaded one before. Scalist SDR. Here you go. This is the list of SDRs in New York. I'm just going to press send. And now ChatGPT is going to do its magic and give me a preview of a first message to make sure that I like it. Hi, Aaron. How do you currently find emails and mobile numbers from LinkedIn profiles? Other sales development representatives in companies like Modern Campus are using Scalist.com to export contacts from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and find their work emails and mobile numbers. Would you like to try it? Question mark. So now we want to see if it fits the criteria that I've shared. There you go. 298 characters, perfectly under the 300 character limit. So now I want to generate a message for each person on my list, and I want to make sure that ChatGPT adds it as a new column on my original spreadsheet. So I'm just going to ask it to do that. Add LinkedIn message to the original file. If you ask instead to generate messages for all rows, is actually going to create a new file that may not include all the different columns that you have, for example, using the LinkedIn profile URL or else. So that's why I'm asking to add it on the original file. Add LinkedIn message to original file. It's analyzing, it's doing its work, and then I'll be able to download the final file. And here you go. Download the file. It's downloaded it with the messages, and I've opened it before. And I've got all my messages in my spreadsheet, and I can use it in any automation software, or if I even want to do it one by one manually, but I recommend doing automation. So let's just verify here. I have the first message that we got. How do you currently find emails and LinkedIn profiles? Other sales development representatives in companies like Modern Campus. I can see that's the right company. Clicking on another profile, I can see this is a different company as well. So it has adapted for everybody. And now I can use it just as I want. If you want to learn how to export leads right from LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I've left this video here that can help you do that in a matter of seconds instead of hours. Enjoy and happy scaling.